Alright, so we're putting this back in for the last time. It's trying to fall off every single time I do something, so it's pretty uncool at the moment. So yeah, we're gonna try and do this without dropping it again. Alright, so we've made some progress on the rear end and a lot of things actually, and I haven't really been filming any of it because it's been kind of boring, repetitive stuff. But I'm to a point now where I don't know if I showed you guys a lot of what I did there before, and I don't know. So I'm gonna film this bit of it, and maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't. But so far, oh, and I apologize for the complete disaster. I don't feel like cleaning up right now, and I got a lot of things going on. Or I'm just completely lazy. Anyhow. So we have finally finished the rear end. It's actually painted. It's all done. So things I've added since I haven't been videoing is I added this support bar right here. I actually made a plate down here and then bolted it in. I don't know if you can see the bolts, but there's actually bolts here that are welded to the plate, and then I welded the whole plate in because you don't really get a great weld with cast that I trust. So just to double, triple make sure it's welded and bolted, then welded in up here. We added our bump stops over here, finished welded in the end here, and painted everything, cleaned it all up. Over here we have our third link, or Panhard arm. God. So this is our Panhard. And then the actual other bump stop will go right on top of that one. And that gives us our bumps on the axle. It's just kind of the way it worked out. I'm hoping it's going to work good. Everything seems like it is. But yeah, I mean, like everything else in this thing so far, it's been, that'll do for now. Maybe we'll have to redo it, I don't know. So everything looks good so far. The clearances and everything look good. I finished welded everything, and then I have actually painted it. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on and put it all together because I don't know that I really showed for that the last time I put it together. So we're gonna get it all put together and throw them back in the car, check the clearances, and then we'll go from there. I did some work in the car too. I've cut out these crossbars, got them all coped in there, just sitting in there. And I also did this tub up. So it's actually tubbed right here, and then we're ready for flooring once we get the rear end situated. So yeah, we'll see how far we can get tonight, but hopefully we can get this rear end back in the car. Boom. Now if it falls, it'll only be slightly catastrophic. All right. That is less fucking sketchy. Awesome. That's where I'm gonna run into a problem now. Because I need to spin. That's not right. That's close. right. Take this thing all the way up to bump and adjust my bump stops. Okay. I am at bump. So what I'm doing now is putting some length in my links here. Try to make them as long as possible. All right, because that's bump, that's bump. All right, so that needs to go that way. Set my location. Is that hitting now? Okay, that's too far. Just off. Clearing. That's clearing just fine. What I'm looking for right now is making sure all my hardware is clearing everywhere. It's tight tolerances in here. But everything is good. So now I can bring it down because I have clearance everywhere. Ooh. It's tight. But it's because my Panhard's not on right now, so everything's not exactly where it needs to be. So, now I need to install the Panhard. Okay. Okay. That is not making it better. Okay. Pull that out. Going that way then. Boom. One Panhard. Okay. So now I'll run it back up one more time, make sure we still look good at full bump. Full bump. Plenty of clearance. Looking good. And that group. We are a red one, but we're clearance. Clearance. And actually we could use to come back over this way a little. Earlier when I made that other adjustment, I didn't have the Panhard on and it was all over the place. It's stupid of me. But we're okay now. Put these bad boys in. Okay, so that on like so. Bushing on like so. Shock in. Other bushing. Boom. Nut. Okay, for the top one. Well, you can see this. I'm not too much in the way. Sweet. Alright, sorry I'm all up in your grill, but space is limited up in here. Okay, that was probably too far, but whatever. Get my spacer in. Oh shit! Drop the spacer, because you know, why not? Bring this down a little. Okay, maybe not. up a little. Too much. Too much. Just barely though. Boom. All right. And like last time, we go with the bottom first. Boom. Throw a nut on that so it don't fall. Damn it. I'm gonna leave it for now. My OCD. So I put that bolt in backwards, but let's face it, this is not the last time that I'm gonna be tooling this in and out. Let's not kid ourselves. Boom. All right. All right. And with that, it's just a bunch of tightening things up. So grab some wrenches and probably time lapse through this. Okay. Okay, shocks are on and done. Those are done, so I just need to tighten down the big boys. Okay. Alright. Boom. And like that, the rear end is in the car.